Out of here, out of those cuffs, okay? All right, hop out for me. Okay. Just come stand over here, all right? All right, we're gonna walk right to that blue door, okay? Do you have someone to come pick you up in a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Walk down to the edge and have a seat on the bench, all right? I'm going to take your handcuffs off, okay? When I do that, I'm going to do the right one first. When it comes off, I want you to put your hand on the wall like this, as high as you can, okay? And then the same thing with the left, all right? All right, you can relax, excuse me. It's fine. All right, do you have any necklaces, any jewelry on? All right, so take your rings off. They got to go in here. Any anklets or anything like that? Okay, just pop your shoes off for me. The shoes have to come off. Okay, come over here. Have a seat in here for me. I'll be right back in, okay?